Hello friends, in today's video we are going to learn how to change theme on Shopify. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So open your Shopify admin panel and to change theme, click on online store. Right now I'm going to see the free themes, so I'm going to click in here, and from this free theme list you can select any theme. So I'm going to selecting this one and clicking on add to theme library. And wait until the installation progress is finished. So here you can see the theme has been added. Now we need to publish the theme, but before that I'm going to show you that my current theme name is right, and now I'm going to installing or publishing the color block theme. So I'm clicking on actions and now clicking on publish. So the theme has been successfully published, and now here you can see my current theme is color block. So this is how we can change theme on Shopify. If you think to see more Shopify videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.